Hello, I'm Darren Jensen, CEO of LifeVantage. Welcome to our family. Your success is important to us and to me personally. You are the reason we exist as a company. This leadership track has been put together to help you succeed. We hope to teach and inspire you and help you accomplish your goals so that you can experience the kind of life you've always dreamt of, the life you deserve. So, congratulations on committing to this training. For the next several weeks, you'll be learning new things every day that will help you be successful, not only in your LifeVantage business, but in your life in general. What you'll learn will reward you in many aspects of your life, including helping you create deeper relationships, being a better parent, a better spouse and leader, improving your overall wellness, running a business. Here at LifeVantage, we've put together effective, scientifically based products to support an amazing opportunity that helps you succeed from day one. This daily program will teach you the skills and the mindset you need to be successful in this business. The program is designed to take about 6 minutes per day for learning and another 10 to 20 minutes of practicing what you've learned. It's important that you make this a priority for at least a few weeks. Find the time, put in the effort, make this a priority, and you'll be rewarded for the rest of your life. You know, network marketing is simple. You learn a set of skills and you teach those skills to others. We have a great story. Our products are life-changing and will better the lives of those with whom you share them. Our opportunity and compensation model is generous as well. Over the next few weeks, we'll share the skills you'll need to be successful and show you how to teach those skills to others. Again, welcome, have fun, enjoy creating your own LifeVantage story.